Revision class 5 test 4, that is time and decimal. So first question of revision is 15 hours is equal to how many minutes? So we all know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 15 hours, 15 multiplied by 60, so 900 minutes. Next FIB is 9:30 at night is 9:30 p.m. p.m. AM means after night, after 12 night to 12 noon, that is AM, and after 12 noon to 12 night, that is PM. So 9:30 PM. The place value of 2 in 8.25 is, after decimal we have tens, hundreds, thousand. So here we have 2 by 10 or 2 tenths. Here we have TENTHS. Hundreds, spelling of hundred plus THS. Thousand, spelling of thousand plus THS. Find the short form. 6, this is whole number. 6 plus 4 by 10. After decimal, this is tens place, hundred place, thousand place. So short form of 6 plus 4 by 10 plus 9 by 100 plus 9 by 1000 is 6.499. Find the sum of. Sum means we have to do addition. But here we have whole number and two numbers are in decimal form or they are unlike fractions. So first we have to make them like fractions. Means after decimal we have 3 places. So here you put after decimal 3 zeros. Then after decimal we have only one digit. So put it here 0. Here we have 3 digits. So it is, now do it addition. 4, 9, 2, 8 plus 5, 13, 20. So the answer is, so always keep it in your mind that first we convert it into like fractions and then we add it. 20.294. This is the answer. Convert the following fractions into decimal. 85 whole number 5 by 100. Whenever we have like 5 by 100 means after decimal we have 2 zeros. So this is like that. So what is the answer? 85.05. Here we have total 58 by 10. So here we have 2, 1 0 means we have to put decimal after 1. 5.8. This is simple, like if you have number this 637 upon 1000. So 3 zeros means like this. This is decimal. So this is the way how you convert fractions into decimals. 85 whole number 5 by 100. So here we have 102. So we have to do like that. Now next question is convert 144 hours into days and hours. So 24 hours you have one day. One day 24 hours. Here hours given. So we have to go like that. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. So 144 hours divide. Then answer is 6 days. Answer is 6 days. Next question is add 6 hours 50 minutes 40 seconds and 4 hours 40 minutes 30 seconds. So hours, minutes, second. 6 hours 50 minutes 40 seconds. 4 hours 40 minutes 30 seconds. Now this is not simple addition. Now what to do? Let's see. Here we have 70. What we have? 70. 70 second means we will minus 60 from here and we will make it minute. So here we will do plus. So that is 10 seconds. That is 10 seconds. Now here we have 90. 90 plus 1. We have 91 minutes. So we will give 1 hour here. That is minus 60. That is minus 60. So what is here? Here we have 31 minute and then plus here 1. So this is 11. So this is simple method to convert it and do it. Whenever we have more than 60 means you give 60 seconds here. Here we have Add 1 minute here. So here 10 seconds limit. Here we have 91. So give 60 here. Here we have 11 hours. So what is the answer? Answer is 11 hours, 31 minutes, 10 seconds. You all know, but you have to show this in your exam. You all know that 1 hour we have 60 minutes, 1 minute we have 60 seconds. So this is your calculation, how you convert it. If it is less than 60, then it's okay. You keep it here like seconds. But if it is more than 60, then you give 60 seconds here, please plus 1. Means 1 minute. So here we have 10 seconds. So plus 1 here we have 91, more than 60. So give 60 minutes here, means plus 1 hour. So here we have 11 hours, 31 minutes and 10 seconds. Next question is calculative question. Here we have the summer vacations was between 15 May and 4 July. For how many days was the school closed? Now we have to count the days between 15 May and 4 July. We have to take this day also between 15 May and 4 July. This day also. So days between 15 May and 4 July. May we have 17 days. 15 May 31 days. May we have 31 days. So 17 days. June 30 days. July 4 days. So add all these 17 plus 30 plus 4. 51 days. So how many days was the school closed? 51 days. For 51 days was the school closed. So take this day 15 May and 4 July and then count in between the days and then write 51 days. For 51 days the school was closed. Question is 6:36 am into 24 hour clock. As AM and PM, what is the rule? As you all know, for AM timing, write hours and minutes side by side without separating. For PM, add 12 to the hour and then write hours and minutes. So here we have AM. AM means not to do anything, 24 hours clock. Just remove the dot and write this. This is the answer. That is 0636 hours. This is the answer. No need to do anything. Just remove this dot and put it here 0 to make it 24-hour clock time. Now here we have hours. So more than 12. It means that it is more than 12. It means that it is PM. It is PM. So 14, 4, 4 means after 12, 13, 14. 2 hours. This is the time. So here 12, after 12, 24 after 12, or we have PM, 12 night to 12 noon. That is AM, 12 noon to 12 9. That is PM. So here what to do? More than 1200. It means that this is PM. Less than 1200. That is AM. That is AM. So here we have 2:44 PM. What is the timing here? 2:44 PM. For AM timing, write hours and minutes side by side without separating. For PM, add 12 to the hours and then write. So here we have 12 plus, 1200 plus means that is PM. And 1200 less, that is AM. Arrange the following in ascending order: 0.4, 0.02, 0.006. So first make it like here after decimal we have 3. So make it like that: 0, 4, 0, 0, 0. This is like that. 3 after decimal 3 digit, after decimal 3 digit. So here we have to make 1, put it 1 0 more. Now ascending order. This one is 0.006. This is the smallest one. Then which one we have? Then we have this one, 0.020, then 0.400. First you make it like fraction, like decimal, same digit you have to convert it like that. Maximum we have after decimal 3 digit. So here we have 1 digit, here we have 2 digits. So keep it, make it after decimal 3 digit and then make it. Next question is express 3.84 as fraction in the lowest term. So here we have even number in the ones place. So divide by 2, divide by 2. What is the answer? That is, if we divide by 2, 192 by 50. Again we have even number in ones place. So again divide it by 2. So do it division, then we have 96 by, this is improper fraction, but this is the answer, 3.84 as fraction in the lowest term. Write 24.506 in all the three ways of expanded form. So this is place value form. This is 2 tens plus 4 ones plus 5 hundreds plus 6 thousands. Tens place we have 0. So no need to write this. Then second way is 24.056, 20 plus 4 plus 0 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 6 by 1000. That is fractional way. Third way, decimal, expanded form by decimal. So here very simple, 20 plus 4 plus 0.05, then 0.006. This is third way of expanded form.